In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a list in Brevo. We'll walk through the process from opening Brevo to confirming the new list name, and I'll share practical tips along the way so you feel confident making this change. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Brevo. A fresh tab keeps your workspace tidy and helps avoid accidentally navigating away from whatever else you're doing. In the search results, click the official Brevo website to proceed. If you see ads or similarly named sites, make sure you're choosing the legitimate result to protect your account. Once the site loads, log in with your credentials. Only enter your details on the official login page and use two-factor authentication if it's enabled on your account. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly on your dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to CRM, then Contacts, and then Lists. Depending on your layout, these options might appear in a top menu or a left-hand sidebar. If you don't immediately see them, expand the menu or look for a CRM section header. Some roles might have limited access, so if the Lists option isn't visible, you may need permission from an administrator. On the Lists page, locate the list you want to rename. If you manage many lists, use the search or filters to find it quickly. Hover your mouse over the list name and click the three-dot menu icon next to it, sometimes labeled as More Options. Choose Rename. A dialog or side panel will open with a field to edit the list's name. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear. A clear naming convention goes a long way. Consider including the audience type, region, and purpose, and avoid special characters that could cause confusion. Renaming a list won't change its subscribers. It only updates the label you and your team see throughout Brevo. In the same area, you may also see options to update the sender name, sender email, and reply to address. Only adjust these if you're sure they're correct and authorized for your organization. Consistent, recognizable sender details help with deliverability and subscriber trust. If your team manages authentication like SPF or DKIM, make sure any sender changes align with those settings. When you're satisfied, click Rename List to confirm. The change applies right away across your account, including campaign setups and forms. If the new name doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page to update your view. And if you spot a typo later, just repeat this process to fix it. That's it. Quick, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.